Hey everyone, welcome back to Doctor. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects our overall health: the foods that can harm our liver. The liver plays a vital role in detoxification and maintaining our body's functions, so it's essential to be aware of what we're putting into our bodies. In this video, we'll be discussing 9 foods that can damage your liver and why you should avoid them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our health tips and insights. Let's get started. Number 1. High fructose corn syrup. Our first liver-damaging culprit is high fructose corn syrup. Found in many processed foods and sugary beverages, this ingredient can lead to fatty liver disease and insulin resistance. Consuming excessive amounts of fructose can overwhelm the liver's capacity to process it, resulting in potential liver damage over time. Number 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. Next up is something many of us are aware of: excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol is processed by the liver, and overindulgence can lead to inflammation, fatty liver, and even cirrhosis. It's crucial to moderate your alcohol intake and give your liver time to recover between drinks. Number 3. Trans fats. Trans fats, often found in fried and processed foods, are notorious for increasing bad cholesterol levels and contributing to liver inflammation. These fats can clog liver cells, impairing their normal function and potentially leading to more severe liver issues. Number 4. Sugary foods. Sugary foods, like candies, pastries, and sugary cereals, can cause a spike in blood sugar levels and contribute to insulin resistance. This can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, increasing the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Number 5. Salty snacks. Excessive consumption of salty snacks, such as chips and packaged snacks, can contribute to high blood pressure and water retention. This puts extra stress on the liver, as it needs to work harder to maintain fluid balance in the body. Number 6. Red meat. While red meat can be a good source of protein, consuming it in excess can lead to high levels of saturated fats. These fats can promote inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, potentially contributing to liver damage over time. Number 7. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, and bacon often contain additives, preservatives, and high levels of salt. Regular consumption of these foods has been linked to an increased risk of fatty liver disease and other liver-related problems. Number 8. High sodium foods. High sodium foods, such as canned soups, instant noodles, and certain fast foods, can lead to water retention and high blood pressure. This, in turn, can strain the liver and contribute to long-term liver issues. Number 9. Artificial sweeteners. Lastly, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. While they're marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, some studies suggest that these sweeteners can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, which in turn can impact liver health. It's clear that our dietary choices play a significant role in the health of our liver. By avoiding or minimizing the consumption of these 9 liver-damaging foods, you can take a crucial step towards maintaining a healthy liver and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can contribute to optimal liver function. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.